Now, what do physiotherapists do? When you think of physiotherapy, you're probably thinking of, they just do exercises for knee or back problems, but physiotherapists are much more than that. They take a holistic approach, looking at your lifestyle and well-being, while dealing with body systems such as musculoskeletal, neurological, cardiology, and respiratory. So you find that physiotherapists will specialize in one or more areas, such as neurological physiotherapy, helping with muscle weakness, balance and coordination due to strokes, brain and spinal cord injuries, MS such as in multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's disease. You have musculoskeletal physiotherapy, which involves muscles, joints and ligaments, and they help with back pain, arthritis, and joint problems, as well as rehabilitation after surgery, for example, knee and hip surgery. Then you have cardiorespiratory physiotherapists, which help with cardiac rehabilitation, for example, after a heart attack, and they help with lung problems like asthma or cystic fibrosis, where they might help to improve your breathing or help to remove excess mucus from the lungs by drainage. You also have pediatric physiotherapy, where they specialize in children under the age of 18 and disabilities such as cerebral palsy, where they help with movement, coordination and strengthening. For treatment, they will employ different techniques such as joint and soft tissue massage and manipulation and mobilization, stretches and exercises, hydrotherapy where you have exercises done underwater, ultrasound waves to reduce inflammation and increase blood flow to the damaged tissues, use of TENS machine for pain relief, which is transcutaneous electronic nerve stimulation, and several other techniques, as well as general education advice about posture correction, mobility aids, fall prevention, and lifting to prevent injuries. Now, I hope that you find this video useful. And if you have any issues regarding osteopaths, chiropractors, or physios, please drop a comment below and feel free to subscribe to my channel.